Planner by Chalk. Planner by Chalk is a very beautiful tool that teachers can use to organize and structure their lessons and curriculum by subjects, days, and weeks. And it is very super easy to use. So the first thing is to access the website, Planner by Chalk, and then set up your planner. It could be by, you could choose to set up the lesson planner by a day planner, week planner, unit planner, anyhow you want it. So for this, I'll be going with week planner. So first you select your type in important information like the planner name, then the first day of the class, the last day of the class. You could work with your term. So next thing is to choose your teaching schedule. Do you teach the same class daily? Do you have the same classes weekly? For me, in my last employment, I used to teach weekly, so I selected weekly. Then you choose the days that you actually teach. In my last employment, I taught Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I didn't still have class on Thursday. So just choose your own, and then we build the planner. So in creating classes, you choose the class and type in the name of the class. I used to teach basic science, so that's for example. Then you create, and next is for you to actually drag this to your planner board. So depending on the time of the day that you're having your class and the duration, you select a period. So once you save that, it automatically shows on your board. So you can do that for all your classes. Add a new class, you can type in the name of the subject you'll be teaching, then you create that new class, and everything appears on your board. So you could do this for as many classes as you would have in a week. Just to everything, and it's always very detailed. So you start planning. So this is your personalized planner, and you see your board. This way it's easier for you to know what class you have per day, per week, without getting confused. Your student will not need to come to the class and tell you, to the staff room and tell you, "Ma, we have a class." Of course, you know. So you could also even put the content of what you want to teach in the class on the same board and import it from your phone, or save it when you're done, and you can easily access it anytime, anywhere. So I really love this particular tool, and I hope you will check it